in today's video, we will study about binomial nomenclature. So as we all know, it is very important to name a particular species so that it can be identified by the same and single name all around the world. So binomial nomenclature, what do you mean by binomial nomenclature? So it's a method of assigning a scientific name to species by which it is known all over the world. So whenever a particular species is discovered, we assign a particular scientific name by which that species got its own identification or by which that species is known all over the world. Now let's see, here it is written that binomial nomenclature. So you can see that here it's a word that bi, and we know that bi means two. So it simplifies that under this binomial nomenclature, whatever the name is assigned to the particular species contains two different words. Now the question may arise in your mind that who discovered this binomial nomenclature? Who told that the name should be of two words only? So let's see the answer. So it is discovered by Carolus Linneaus. Now here is the interesting fact that earlier the name of Carolus Linneaus was not that, it was something different. Now you will think, what was that? So earlier the name of the Carolus Linneaus was Carolus von Linnaeus. Now question may arise in your mind why he changes the name. So when he introduced binomial nomenclature and when the people accept that, so after the acceptance, he changes his name to Carolus von Linnaeus to Carolus Linneaus. So here is the mystery that he changes his name from 3 words to 2 words. And it signified this binomial nomenclature. So now we will see that who assigned these names to the species. Me? You? No. There are a particular committee who assign the names to that particular species. For plants it is different, for animals it is different. So let's explore that. So such scientific names are provided by, for plants, if we talk in the case of plants, it is provided by International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. This is the committee assigned the name to the plants by which that particular plant is known all over the world. And for animal, in the case of animal, there is International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. So this International Code for Zoological Nomenclature gives the names to animals, and International Code for Botanical Nomenclature gives the name to plants. Now, if they assign the name, so there must be some particular rules which they follow, by which they give the names to that particular species. So what are the rules? So let's see the rules. So rules for binomial nomenclature, so there are different rules. So first rule is the names are generally in Latin, Latinized or derived from Latin. So whatever the name they are assigning should be in Latin. So next rule is that it contains 2 words. So as I already told you earlier that whatever the name will be given to that organism is of 2 words, as it is written here, binomial. So bi. Now let's see the third rule. So here it is written that the first word represents the genus of that particular species and the second word will represent its epithet. So let's see the fourth rule. Fourth rule is that the generic name will always start with capital letter and the second word start with small letter. Now let us see the 5th point and the last point or the last rule of binomial nomenclature, and that is the both words are separately underlined if handwritten and laticized when printed. So this means when we are writing in a paper, then we have to underline both the words separately. Now when we are printing that name, then we will give it a Laticized font. So let's make this both points more clear with the help of examples. So let's see. Here are some examples. Here the first example is the scientific name of human, that is Homo sapien. So as you can see here that the generic name, the Homo, starts with the capital letter and the specific epithet starts with the small letter. It is in printed form, so it is Laticized, and when we will write it in paper, then we will underline it just like this separately. Then here are some more. So the scientific name of housefly is Musca domestica. When we will write it in a paper, then we will underline it. And this is here also the generic name starts with a capital letter and the specific epithet continues with a small letter. Then the scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris, and the scientific name of apple is Malus domestica, and the scientific name of lemon is Citrus lemonium. You will find more scientific names in your books and in different websites. So that's all about the binomial nomenclature. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And also do not forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. So till the time, stay tuned. Thank you.